Hi, my name is Sisha. I run She Shapes History. We offer educational and entertaining walking tours through the heart of Canberra. All of our guides have really diverse backgrounds and have a different story to tell and a different perspective on their space. The stories we tell are not the stories that you would have heard before.
We started She Shapes History because we saw an absence of diverse histories and stories being told in this space. So as raving extroverts, we thought, what better way to fix that and share those stories than through a walking tour?
People leave feeling inspired to dig into Australian history and discover some of these more diverse stories. They say that they see the history of Australia in a completely new light, that they see the National Triangle in Canberra in a completely new light.